Okay, here I go again. And you may have spotted the deliberate mistake in the previous video that it's not actually a hiking story at all, it's a cycling story. So I am going to change this to Lungal Cycle Routes as the title. And I'm going to, at the moment you can see it's in summer holidays hiking, I'm going to move it from hiking and climbing into cycling and mountain biking. I'm also going to change the featured image from a hiking one to a cycling one. Let's see if I've got anything under bike. Lots of snow bike. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. So we'll use that one for now. Okay. Let me edit this as well. If you did this right the first time, you wouldn't have to edit that. And I'll update it. And hopefully we'll see that that corrects itself into the correct folder. Yes. So here we are, summer holidays, cycling in Austria, Lungal Cycle Routes. And our header is the same. So we're now going to put some images in. And I've got my Word document here so I can see whereabouts Claire wanted her images put. So this one goes at this junction. Let's put at the junction above. I'm going to add the image in here. So I go to my folder, find the correct image, which is this one, and I want to make sure it's the correct size first of all. So I'm going to go to Tools, Adjust Size, and it is the correct size and it's quite small, 113 kilobytes, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to rename that. React cycle route 1. Where's it gone? There it is, cycle route 1, 121 kilobytes, so that's fine. I'm going to go through all of my images and put them in the right order. So there's the next one is this one, which I think should be this one, yeah. So this one is actually too big and it's a bit dull. So what I do here, go to Tools, Adjust Color. I'm just going to increase the exposure on that slightly to make it look like a nicer day. There we go, that'll do. Tools, Adjust Size. I know it needs to be 585 wide to fit. Save. And then I want to change the name again. React Cycle Route 2. After that comes this one. This might seem a bit monotonous, but if I do it several times, then hopefully it should become second nature. So that looks good. I can see it's too big. Adjust size. No, it's right. How big was that? 113 kilobytes, yeah, so that's fine as well. 3. Next one is this one here, which is this one. I can see here it's the correct dimensions already, and it is 125 kilobytes, so all I need to do is rename it. Next one, this fork in the road, which is, I believe, this one. Yeah. Okay, so this one's a bit too big. Doesn't really matter because it's still a small file, but just to show you, I'm going to adjust the size down to 585. It's a bit dull. Maybe I sharpen that up a bit. Looks a bit better. Close it. Rename it. Number 5. This one. Again, it's a bit too big. Oh, not that one. This one's the next one. Tools, adjust size, 585. I think that's okay as it is. Close. Rename the folder. Number 6. This is the next one, just here. Tools, adjust size. There's probably a quicker way to do this, but this is how I do it at the moment. That's the right size. I think all the rest should be the right size. Again, you see just here, everything's okay. And again. Two more. Okay. So I've got my images. I'm going to put them all into the blog post, starting in the position of the first one. This isn't the only way to do it, but this is the way I like to do it. I think it's a bit more efficient. Oh, not like that. I have to add media. I'll just drag these into my media.